We made good time. We made good time. Traveling was just about perfect.
And we were just at the locks a year ago.
Saturday morning at 7:30 on August 30th, and we just left Forest Cove Alpacas. And what town was that in, Jane?
Chalk River.
Chalk River. We're hitting the road. The road here is nice. Traffic was busy all night. Cut off a little bit about 2 in the morning, but this is the Trans-Canadian Highway, which is the major route from east to west or west to east. And Chalk River is the location of the largest military base in Canada. We found out. I actually researched it because there was all kinds of no trespassing signs along the side of the road. And come to find out when I looked at it, there's a nuclear facility, a nuclear research facility, and then the Chalk River Canadian military base. Canada's a big country, and so this is centrally located for them.
So it's pretty much straight on this road to Serpent River Campground. That's where we're staying tonight.
We're just the other side of Sturgeon Falls in Ontario, and now they've got, must be wheat or barley that's on both sides of the road. Beautiful countryside. We made good time. We made good time. It's 1:45.
Normal day.
Yeah, normal day. So you direct me.
Okay.
We're at Serpent River Campground. Actually made very good time today. The roads were good.
We're B7 on the end.
Cute little campground. Well, that's B6 and B7. That's that one. We're all settled in to Serpent River Campground. Just getting ready to walk around the campground. Just a second while I go in and change into my outfit, my Superman outfit.
Oh, I thought you were going to make a call. For you young folk, this is called a phone book.
It's a real dial tone. It works.
No way.
Yes,
This is a dial phone?
it's a dial tone. Yeah. Go ahead, listen it up. Check it out.
A phone book, too.
Hold it. Press it down again.
Wow.
That is really cool. I didn't bring my cape. A quick walk, actually in the campground. Serpent River. Oh, I forgot to ask her, is it called Sprague or Sprague, Ontario? I'll mispronounce it or forget it. It's just the way it works. We just concluded a quick walk around the campground to check it out. It's actually nice. Very nice, very quiet. So we had a great day today. Traveling was just about perfect. We had 0 issues with the GPS. It's a straight shot on 17 from where we came from. It's the Trans-Canadian Highway. It was great, smooth. The scenery on both sides of the road, the entire trip, were great. They're just fantastic. Large farms, corn, it looked like either barley or wheat in some of the fields, and the combines were getting out there and just getting ready to do the harvest. But the big issue was, which we experienced the past 2 days previous, was our GPS, the phone track, just didn't gel between either my phone, the Garmin GPS that we've got on the dashboard of the truck, or RVLife, the app that Jane was using on the phone. RVLife was the one that we were specifically using because that's where we planned the trip. And each one of the apps that we used took us on slightly different routes. And in a couple of instances, we got turned around, not lost, but just, well, if you haven't turned around at least once, it's not an adventure. So we had that issue. So we've been trying to research that now. We've come to this campground. It's Serpent River Campground in Sprague. I think it's Sprague, Ontario, not Sprague. I'll have to ask one of the locals. And we've been trying to actually get the Garmin GPS and then export and import of RVLife into the Garmin. And Jane's been working, I've been working on it. Did you have any success?
It goes a different way, more direct.
Okay.
But I would follow that just because it's easier for you as the driver.
Okay.
I don't know why.
We're actually getting,
Here, what?
I know. We're actually getting ready to cross the border in Sault Ste. Marie, Michigan. And as we're coming from Canada, it was kind of squirrely. We looked at it through, Google Street View, and it's different from RVLife and in this. Did it look like a straight view, a straight shot? Yeah, I thought so.
That is going. We're near the road.
We're near the road.
Yeah.
This is actually the Trans-Canadian Highway right here.
Should be quieter than this.
It'll be quiet tonight.
So RVLife takes you up and around, squiggles around, comes around. Garmin kind of goes right
Through town. Yeah.
I don't know why.
It shows it's RV safe. So because we've got an iPad, 2 iPads, an iPhone, and an Android, and we're just trying to coordinate it all and use different things, and we're not stressed. We had a great day today. Actually, Jane says we're not. Is she? Does the ticky thing. You doing the ticky thing?
I'm just doing Google.
Not really, just doing Google.
That means nothing.
That means nothing. Well, it might mean everything, but we'll just, actually it's a longer trip tomorrow. It's how many miles?
Not much more, but it's through the city. And
Through the city. And it took us about 6 hours and 15 minutes today. And of course, we've got to go through customs if they let us back into the United States. You know, the rabble rouser that I am. They might want to, not let me in. Actually, Canada probably will kick me out. So, actually, we were out. We were actually amazed at the speed with which we crossed the border into Canada. It was less than a minute. A few questions they asked us. Oh wait. Oh yeah. Fred, actually. Fred, did you lock the truck?
I did.
You did? Oh, well, Fred has been very quiet, very quiet. He's loving this. You gotta wake up, Fred. Fred, sitting in the sun. He loves Canada because there's other Sasquatches up here, his relatives. And actually, I was worried about him, when we opened the door to get out to get fuel, whether or not he was going to run away from us, but he didn't. So there was a restaurant across the street that we had planned on getting dinner at tonight. Hamburgers, that type of thing, maybe a beer, and come to find out, they're closed. So there's no restaurants here. We never travel without enough food, so we're not in any great shakes. Jane has actually pizza we're going to be warming up maybe tonight. We'll see. So we've been experiencing problems with our GPS actually merging with the other apps that we've got and taking us all in the same place, whether it's RVLife, the Garmin, or Google Maps. Have you had the same experience, or what have you used in your travels? Let us know in the comments below. Getting my morning fix of Go Juice. Gotta have it. And we're crossing back over from the Canadian side to the United States border in, let's see, Sault Ste. Marie at the locks. So once again, each one of our GPS apps is telling us a different route, actually right in Sault Ste. Marie on the Canadian side before we cross the border. So one takes us right down through the town, one takes us around, and then the other one takes us a little bit more around, but then again through a residential area. So we're actually going to follow RVLife, which was the one we actually planned the trip with, and then we'll just use the others for backup. So that's the only confusing part, and of course just before we cross the US-Canadian border. Yeah. 8:10 a.m. we got on the road. We're heading to the US-Canadian border in Sault Ste. Marie, heading into the UP of Michigan, and we're going to stay at the Pictured Rocks KOA tonight. One GPS says 190 miles, the other one says 232 miles. Either way, we'll get there. It says about 4.5 hours travel time, but we go a little bit slower because we don't care about speed. We care about safety and just enjoying the ride and seeing the scenes along the way. But it's Sunday morning, Labor Day weekend, and we really shouldn't experience too much as far as traffic goes. Jane's got our little passport cards with us. We went through Canadian Customs in about, well, I think less than a minute with the questions that they asked, and let's see how painless.
A little tougher.
Yeah,
going back in.
Yeah, it's always been a little bit more difficult getting into the United States, and that's not necessarily a bad thing. We just passed through the little town of Mississauga.
That was Blind River.
Oh, I just saw the sign that said Mississauga.
Whatever.
I just had to pronounce it because it was Sauga, like Mississippi, but Mississauga.
You see what I have to put up with first thing in the morning? You do feel bad for me, right? Please comment below if you feel bad for me.
Hey. Don't stick up for her. Fred, stick up for me.
Fred, you gotta get out. We'll get you out when we get there.
I know. See? Oh, there we go. Mississauga. We're just passing into Mississauga.
Oh, I was right.
Okay, you're right.
Nope. One for Jane.
Please don't feed the bears. Bears can be dangerous. The road ahead. We're heading over the Sault Ste. Marie Bridge, crossing from Canada into the United States.
And we were just at the locks a year ago.
Yes.
No, not a year,
Well, it was
year and a half.
May or June.
Year and a half.
Yeah. Coming back into the US of A. Easy peasy. I think we made it through American Customs a little bit faster, or maybe about the same as Canadian Customs. They asked us a couple of questions about what we had as food, how long we stayed in the country, and basically said thank you very much, enjoy the day. Very little traffic. We got through in less than 5 minutes. I mean, from the wait in line all the way through, I wouldn't even say 5 minutes, would you?
It was probably 5. It's longer than you think.
Back in the United States in Michigan, and we're on 28 West, heading towards Munising. And these roads are just like they were earlier. When we came last year, we weren't on 28, but they were all flat and straight and nice. So it's 11:47. All of a sudden, the tire pressure monitor went off and says we have got a flat tire, and yes we do, but good news, fingers crossed, good news, we don't have to change the tire. This piece here broke off. And it was leaking here.
Yep.
I heard I heard Heidi and Jody had that issue.
So you bought.
So I bought
you just
these
bought those too.
on Amazon. So if I can push that back through.
Well, we had a good place to pull over.
I've never used these before. Don't know how they work, but we will.
Might be instructions on the back.
Yeah. Soon enough, we will find out.
Why would that break off?
The rubber, as it wiggles back and forth, it breaks and comes loose. So we will see. Gotta find that hole again.
What holds it in there?
You screw this in, and it tightens this up. Yep.
Oh, I see. It's in the.
On the back side. Yes. So you just push it in, tighten until snug. Okay. Okay. Okay, go ahead.
We'll see. Fingers crossed. You just ordered those, like, a few weeks ago, didn't you?
Yep.
Oh my God, who knew?
That's the culprit.
Thank you, Chippewa Township Hall. Could have been way worse, but it's dry. We're off the road, that's the main thing. He's smiling, so that's a good sign. You did a good job. Amazing. Good job.
See how much juice it took out of the battery.
Yeah, I was curious about that.
Just in case. 99%.
Can't beat that.